Hey there, my name is Forearm, the creator of the Innerman channel. This is where I'll be documenting my journey to become a great character artist and provide relevant information to any of you who decide to undertake a similar endeavor. Today marks day 2 of my baseline series in which I'll be determining my current art skills. If you haven't done so already, make sure to check out the previous video of the series. In today's video, I'm going to be drawing the human upper body in order to determine how well I can draw things such as the arms, the torso, etc. Now, make sure to hit the like button, hit the sub button, hit the bell, and tell your family and friends about the Innerman channel. Furthermore, don't forget to support the channel on Instagram, Twitter, and Patreon. All the links can be found in the description below. Now that the formalities are out of the way, let us proceed to today's video. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and start drawing my baseline upper body. Let's go ahead and see how well I do on this one. Let's go ahead and jump in. Alright, so when drawing an upper body, I like to start off with a few guidelines here. So I like to start off with like a bit of a curved shape like this. If I had to describe it, it looks like some sort of a tooth. Then within this shape, I place a circle in the gap that's formed by this dynamic shape right here. Then I draw a guideline as to where the arms will be relatively located. So right about here and here. And I also add in some guidelines for drawing the arms themselves. So it's like these little cylinders, these weird looking cylinders that I like to draw in as my guidelines. So we have one for the bicep right here and another one for the forearm that I'm about to finish drawing in a second. And there we go. Now let's go ahead and go to the other side. So we draw in that irregular cylinder. It's a bit angled, not in the angle I want it to be. Let's draw it right here. Let's draw in that irregular cylinder. Alright, draw in that cylinder for forearm. As you can tell, these cylinders kind of look like, I guess you could call them bull horns or French horns, whatever you want to call them. Anyways, these will serve as the guidelines for drawing the bicep, the forearm on both sides of the upper body. Go ahead and start drawing in the bicep here as well as the shoulder area. Go ahead and get the elbow and then the forearm. Now let's do the other side right here. So go ahead and start drawing in bicep, part of the forearm, back part of the upper arm, the elbow, and the forearm right here. Okay, so got both of those arms now. Let's go ahead and draw in the rest of the shoulder and then get the neck inside of here. Okay, so let's go ahead and start getting rid of these guidelines. Okay. So you erase the sockets that we had for the arms. Start to fill in this portion of the upper body. And I always try to keep in mind of which type of human form I'm drawing, like male or female form. Male form is the chest is typically much broader than the lower body. So go ahead and start just quickly drawing the chest right here. Not very detailed, but let me redraw that. It's looking more of like a boob than a chest. Nah. Okay, that's a little better. Alright. Remember, baseline video. Once this baseline series is done, guys, the grind really starts. All of us are going to be improving on this journey to become great artists. So let's give this guy a six-pack. Like, why not? I forgot to erase this guy line inside this arm. Alright. Let's go ahead and erase this and go ahead and detail it again. And it's always helpful to always stay loose so you get not so defined lines, so you can go ahead and detail them later on. Because during that rough stage you can make like a lot of mistakes, and then you can go ahead and refine them later in the detailed stage. Okay, so drawing hands is probably my biggest weakness. So typically I usually draw Lego hands, but I'm going to make an attempt to draw some actual hands. So try not to laugh too hard, alright? Oh gosh, this is gonna be horrible. Drawing the fingers right here. Yeah. Literally looks like two forks are at the end of his arms. That's probably the best I can do at the moment with hands. I really need to work on that in the future. Okay, go ahead and draw this in a bit. That is basically my upper body, yeah. Alright, it's baseline upper body. And I cannot wait to compare this to what I'm going to be in the future. Can't wait for that then and now comparison. So, feel free to post in the comments how you feel about this drawing. I know it's not that great, but like, you know, you gotta start somewhere, am I right? This is my baseline upper body. Well, that concludes today's video. Make sure to hit the thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss a single video when it comes out. Also, as previously stated, make sure to check out the channel's social media links in the description. Until next time, guys, this is Phenomenal from Innerman Comics, signing off. I think I ran out of tea. Too many takes.